Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, Renalyn Sanderson Journey. At kung hindi ka pa subscribe ng channel ko, please click down below. Click nyo lang po yung subscribe dyan. At click also the bell so that you can notify every time I have a new videos, guys. So, our episode for today, guys, is magbabakasyon kami to Virginia Beach, and now we are already traveling, and since nagugutom na kami, guys, so ngayon ay kakain muna kami. Stop by muna, and this is my order. It's a chicken wings with rice, and my husband naman, he's American, is ordering roast beef and then the French fries. Oh boy, pang America juday, pang American. So ako, since I'm a Filipino, chicken wings, Asian food, and the rice is like so lami kayo, guys. So grabe, guys. So din sa America is a very pressure ang life din here. So that's why I deserve and we deserve to have a vacation sometimes, no? So mauna jud niya akong gipaabot. We give a gift to ourselves sometimes, and we deserve it. So please continue watching this video. So we're done of eating, guys. So continue ang biyahe namin. Look at the clouds. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Grabe na sa ilalong sa gapas, guys. Wapo kayo. Guys, stop by muna kami dito sa restroom area nila. So, ihi muna kami. Ihi muna kayo, guys. My God, so cold. Yee! Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng punuan, guys. Oh. So, ihi muna tayo.
Proceed to the route.
Proceed to the route. Saan ba ilang street or yan, traffic. Okay, so punta muna ka dito, guys. Ito yung restroom nila, CR social. Where my pero isa there, guys. Isa ko, So guys, nandito na ako sa labas ng restroom nila. So grabe, sobrang lamig dito. Pero ang sarap. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. So guys, ang sarap na dito. Na-enjoy ko talaga ang bakasyon namin. Sobrang lamig na. Na ako dress kalubinan, guys. Ay, katug na. Daw na kayo, guys. Sabi na to. Tingnan niya ang mga puno, guys. Ang ganda dito. Pwede ka mag-picnic dito. Maraming mga upuan. Gaya dito, guys. So, ay, grabe. Nakapasok ang bugnaw. Kaya itong hubon, guys. Whee! Balik na ta sa car. Kaya nagyaw-yaw na ang ato ang bossing. Balik. Balik. Hi guys. Time check tayo, 7:16 PM. So nandito na kami sa Virginia, but hindi pa kami nakarating sa namin sa hotel. So but before we will go there, we go first to Jollibee for our dinner, guys. So nagugutom na naman kami, no? So kanina yung kinain namin that's our lunch, and then ngayon naman is our dinner. So, ang akong driver, gutom na daw siya. Gusto siya makaog Jollibee, guys. So, atong patilaw ko. Stay tuned! Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa Jollibee. So, 8 o'clock na guys. Ay! Bakit sila sarado na? Drive-thru na lang tayo, drive-thru. Because they're closed inside already.
Huh?
Drive-thru. People have be careful.
You sure?
They're still there pala. Sige, we will, ano na lang.
Huh?
So, we will go inside na lang.
What kind of park?
There's more food.
Speaking of that,
So guys, nandito kami sa Jollibee. So gusto niya mag-sign in. Kauin pa. Sige, pagbigyan na to guys. Kaya mo may gusto. Hala, patuyangi. Sige guys, takit sa sulod.
Hey,
Guys, namin din sa Jollibee. Oh, patunay na namin sa Jollibee. Napa si Santa Claus. Stick to kayo ang ano guys. Yan. Ato sa damig CR kay tugnaw na kayo ug kaiho na kayo. Dili lang CR daw ni. Ay, katugnaw. Kurot na ko guys. Opsa na ko. So guys, ang in-order ko is yung chicken and rice, gravy, and then yummy burger. Yummy burger. And then two peach mango. Sa kanya naman is sandwich lang. Pang American. So as usual guys, no? So kain muna kami, okay? Guys, wala na ako na videohan kay gipang gutom namin. So but it's okay. Marami pa ako ipapakita sa inyo dito sa Virginia Beach. And going to our hotel na. 12 minutes pa, 19 minutes pa di. So, stay tuned please. So guys, dito na kami. Pinark lang namin. Ay, be careful. Pinark lang namin ang aming car guys. So, nandun ang hotel. And then ang parking area is here. Okay. So, sarado naman mostly ang mga tindahan dito guys. Okay. Because it's already what's the time? What's the time? Now ba? It's 9 or 10? So dito na kami guys. It's very cold. Somebody's calling. So papunta na kami hotel. It's a Christmas tree. Oh, it's a Christmas. Papasok na kami sa taas. So guys, we're here now. So papakita ko sa inyo ang aming bahay. Joke lang. So medyo paway sa amin guys. Uy. So ito yung bahay namin guys. No. Okay guys, nandito na kami sa kwarto namin. So, continue tayo bukas or continue tayo sa next vlog ko kasi mag-arrange muna ako dito. Of course, you are the wife, you will be the one to arrange everything, right? Okay, so kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe ng channel ko, please click subscribe down below and click the bell button so that you can notify every time I have a new video. So, till next time for my next episode. Have a good day. Bye-bye.